Hey guys, so this is going to be the first of our little tutorials here. So if you have multiple accounts or if you like to maintain your own watch list, you can go into Pathfinder and do that. I cleared out all the state stuff, so I've just created 2 dummy accounts here. But let's say you wanted to create a watch list. You just come in here, set it. You can store whatever color you want. So let's say this is something that we're like paying attention to, but it's not necessarily something that we know that we want to trade. I'll just set it as yellow and it'll pop up right here. And then whenever you're doing a search, what you can do is you can just add this directly to that watch list. And what you can also do, what we've added in here is when you see a stock like this, you can annotate it. I'm not very creative, but you can create little notes in here that'll keep track of it. And for this particular stock, like we can search over here and we can find if there's anybody that's talking about it. And let's say we find whatever, someone's talking about it. What we can do is we can add other stocks that they're talking to that watch list, so that now we can keep track of not only what's in our account, what we're paying attention to, but we can also keep track of what other people are. And in the watch list themselves, there's a separate note, so we can say found on Twitter 11/18. Okay, and there's your notes. And this is a way that you can keep track of pretty much anything that you want to do. And the charts will update, so you can see that they're all 11/15. These are all the latest charts. So whenever you come in here, you can basically get the latest data from the model. And of course, if you want to go through, you're done paying attention to this, you can delete this watch list out of there.